Hi guys, good morning.
Yes.
Yes, so you guessed that right. We're going to Disneyland. Ipapasyal ng mga madam. Yes, si Michelle excited na. Sasakay kayo ng mga rides.
Oo.
Yes.
Pero huwag naman yung mga matitindi dito.
Okay, we'll see.
Hindi na sana itatanong ko kanina sa inyo.
Yeah. Pina-enjoy ang Emma. Ayan o. Yay! First time in Disney. Siyempre, you have to dress the part. Oh, ako may saklob na ako. Nabili ko to nung last kaming nag-Disney. Buti na lang nakita ko sa taguan. Hindi na ako bibili. Siyempre, ang Disneyland's iconic fountain with Mickey riding a surfboard. Nice! Siyempre, mahirap pagkawalaan dito sa Disney. Ayan. So, proceed na ata kami sa ticketing booth. Ayan. Nice! Ang daming tao. Sana kukunti lang ang tao kasi siyempre, para hindi masyadong haggard. Bili na kami ng entrance ticket, meal vouchers, at saka yung 8 attractions fast pass via Klook. Para mas convenient, di ka napipila. Yan, so guys, ito yung makikita after dun sa ticket turnstiles, yung parang flower garden. Very iconic. At ngayon ko lang nalaman na umaandar pala yun. Yung gagaling dito. Yan, bumili na rin si Mama. Michelle, pakita mo yung napili mo. Oh, pisilin mo. Yay! Oh, di ba ang cute? Disney headbands for the madams. Thank you. Ganda talaga ng merchandise. Ayan oh, cute. Jacket. Sige, mamaya bibili akong jacket. Yay! Oh, yan. Oh, pareho-pareho kami may headgear. Ayan. Let's go to our first ride sa Frozen. Pre, ang Cinderella's Castle. Oh, very iconic. Ayan. Guys, medyo mainit, so make sure that may sunblock kayo pag nagpunta kayo dito. Tapos always check the weather forecast kasi parang sobrang init. Okay. Yan, the map of Disneyland Hong Kong. So, ang first destination namin ay Frozen. World of Frozen. Yan. At syempre, andyan si Beauty. Ayan. Maganda siya. Sure. Yung isa may interview portion pa, hindi alam, maraming nag-iintay kay Beauty. Yun din guys, parang tip for those of you who are planning to go to Disneyland. Mas piliin nyo na yung lean season para number 1, mas mura ang ticket. Number 2, hindi mataas ang foot traffic. Kasi pag sobrang dami ng tao sa park, siguro ang maaano nyo lang na attractions, baka maximum of 3. Pagka lean season ko, konti na yung tao, 'di ba? Tapos lalo na kung may fast pass ka pa, eh di parang wala, makukumpleto mo na yung gusto mong mga sasakyan. Oo, half day pa lang kayo, kumpleto mo na, 'di ba? Pwede ka nang maggala-gala ganyan. Ang caveat lang doon guys is that parang pagka lean ang season, mas may mga attractions na hindi available. That's fine kasi kesa naman sa sobrang dami ng tao na hirap kang sumakay. It's so nice. Got myself a popcorn. Pagod na ako. Gutom na pati. Popcorn. And the Wondrous Book.
Fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required.
It's a small world attraction ride. Punta na tayo sa World of Frozen. Yay! Nasa Arendelle na tayo. Yan o, ganda. I'll turn the camera around. Tada! I'm not sure kung sa ibang Disneyland theme parks meron ng Frozen, pero yun. pupunta kami sa Frozen Ever After. So good. We're gonna have lunch. Yay! Yes! And here's our food. Salmon for Mama, pasta for Michelle, and lamb shank for Han, and for me, chicken bacon wrap. Let's try the chicken bacon wrap. So, 4 express pass for Frozen Ever After. Yan, buti na lang, walang pila. Guys, maraming nakatulong talaga yung express pass. Dire-diretso lang kami.
Come on, what do you do? Elsa's made a magic winter show with summer snow for spending me and you. True.
For the first time in forever, for the first time in forever.
For my sister's magic night.
Are you ready to see
No light, no road, no rules for me.
I'm free.
For the first time.
The hot and the cold are both so intense. Put them together, it just makes sense.
So guys, pahinga muna. Siguro in a few minutes, magmimerienda. Cinderella's Castle. Oh, guys. Yan, so we're going to Adventureland. Ooh, this is nice. Hi. Diba? So sadya naman guys talaga na nakaka-enjoy mamasyal dito sa Disneyland. So kung pupunta rin lang naman kayo ng Hong Kong, make sure that this is one of your itineraries. Okay? Yes! Nga lang guys, napakadaming paslit dito. Mga batang makukulit na kung ano-anong tinuturo sa kanilang mga magulang. Yan, ang ganda. Umi pa po sa si Kuya. Papo. So next stop is the Grizzly Mountain Ride. And so welcome to Grizzly Gulch. Yay! Guys, so we're going to the Grizzly roller coaster ride and medyo panicky si mother. Ayan, medyo natatakot siya. Sabi ko, okay lang naman kasi hindi naman ito masyadong... Oh, yay! Oh, tingnan mo ma! Magmulat ka, maganda yan. Hindi, pero ayan, oh, di mo may bear. Hi, bear! Hindi, mabilis lang yan, mama. Paurong lang yan. Babalik. Hindi, walang balik na dyan, ma. Wala, ayan, yan! Artistic point of ang design. Very beautiful. Artistic manner.
That's you. Now run along. Phew. I was just looking for. Oh, this is the music box I told you.
So guys, I bought a few merchandise. Some merch, t-shirts, and stuff like that. Hi guys! Nice! For eating churros at saka corn dog na hindi naman masarap. Nga to kayo yung nabiling sayang. Na? Meron ako nakita turkey leg. Yung sa may mystic point. Makunat. Gusto mo na makunat na manok? O yun, kumain ka ng turkey leg, parang gano'n. Sana iwa-warn ko tong pamilyang to na wag nang kumain, wag nang bumili ng churros. Pero ayun, bumili pa rin sila. Hi Ma! Ay, si Minima. Yan guys, so si Esmeralda nagtuturo ng Zumba. Ayan o. Out there, strolling by the sand, taste the morning out there, like ordinary men who freely walk about there. Just one day and then I swear I'll be content. Daw yung hyperspace mountain. Well, that's sad kasi yun, medyo exhilarating kasi yung ride na yun. Guys, 2 rides to go. Yan, magsa-sunset na. Tapos later, fireworks display. Then we'll head home. Nakapagod maglakad. As you can see guys, people are starting to get into position for the fireworks later. Yan. Actually, lumabas ako kanina para mag-yosi. Tapos, may mga nagsasurvey kung tinatanong kung manonood daw ng fireworks, ganyan. Siguro, tinitingnan din nila. So, pagka mababa na yung foot traffic, feeling ko hindi na nila itutuloy yung fireworks. Kakancel na lang. Aming paslit na makukulit. Daanan ko na ulit sila dito. Iron Man Tech Showcase. Look. Isn't that cool? Yes! Guys, kung gusto niyo magpa-picture kay Iron Man, yan.
We shall conduct a brief security scan. Let's make it happen!
Hi, Iron Man!
Okay, everyone, picture time! And be patient, there are a lot of you. And as we all
Iron
know,
Man.
there's only one of me.
Yeah.
I am here to introduce an amazing,
Through technology.
but technology requires power. And
Dubbed his new energy invention, the Arc Winner. 的大年会展示我们的最新成绩。
Dami ring alam ni Mama.
Sige,
Ang
nakalimutan.
daming...
is an autonomous artificial intelligence interface created by Tony Stark.
ay nahilo, so hindi nag-enjoy sa virtual keme. Guys, Ant-Man and the Wasp. The bots, not Ant-Man. Accuracy. Hey, nice. Siyempre, pauwi na. Yan. Nag-enjoy ka ba, Mama, sa Disney? Your first time in Disney? Yeah. Thank you for visiting Hong Kong Disneyland. So ito yung Hong Kong Disneyland train station na pwede kang sumakay dyan. Yan yung trains na may parang outline ng shape ng mukha ni Mickey Mouse. Yan. Pero 3 palet. So napakatagal. So kami ay mag-Uber na lang. Yes. Guys, very tired. So we're just waiting for our car here at the pickup area. So guys, andito kami ngayon sa Temple Drive and we're just looking for a place to eat. Pero ang pinaka-promising is itong Lido Restaurant. Yeah. We're ordering now. Hi guys, we're here at Temple Street. Kakain na kami. Ang tawag ba dito, Dai Fai Dong? Okay. Parang Cantonese street, parang food or seafood, street seafood place. Yan. At syempre, ang iconic na mga lanterns dito sa Temple Street. Marker omelette. Tapos, salted fish fried rice. Yan. So guys, wala sa kanilang plato. So kailangan ko yun. Let's try the oyster prawn. Hindi siya masyado maalat. Ito pong salted fish fried rice. Alam mo, parang yung salted fish fried rice nila, parang may chicken. Hindi siya parang purong salted fish. Medyo pricey nga lang siya. Para siyang steamed, Han? Scallops? Ibang klaseng clam. So, 4 na piraso siya, ganyan. Ano kaya ito? Yan, para siyang ganyan.
Ano mo sa kanong butter na
Ganun. Yan guys, ito yung parang mamahaling palaka.
mahal. Umang sabaw.
Siyempre, meron din.
Pagpapit ko yan.
Ayan yung shell niya guys, parang ganyan.
Sarap lang.
Wow. Parang hindi ko siya kayang kainin na may shell. Parang gusto ko siyang balatan. At syempre guys, stir-fried clams, fresh clams, which is very, very good.
Dapat.
At sarap. And ako yung taong hindi mahilig sa shellfish pero masarap.
Una kayo. Masarap na ang plate rice.
Kinain saan?
Sa Disney.
Itong clams masarap.
Ayan ang isda. Ay, wala isda.
Fish. I love Tausi. Ako, I love Tausi. Guys, tikman natin to. Sobrang sarap daw, sabi ni Ma. Sobrang tapang ng Tausi. Pero masarap. Ayan guys, so i-off ko na. Masarap siya overall, flavorful ganyan. So, 746 ang bill, but it's sulit. May anytime fitness pala dito guys.